Good morning. Are you Kingston Walker?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Walker is here in two cases. We've got cause number 25 DCCR 0861. Sorry. Charged with the third-degree felony offense of tampering or fabricating physical evidence, and that's from March 27th of 2025. And then in cause number, and what that means, sir, in that case, is that if you go to trial and you're found guilty, the range of punishment would be between 2 years and up to 10 years in prison. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And then in cause number 2025 DCCR 0862, you're charged with a third-degree felony offense of possession of a prohibited weapon, and that's from March 27th of 2025. And also, that means if you go to trial and you're found guilty, the range of punishment would be between 2 years and up to 10 years. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
In each of these cases, I have here on the tablet some documents that have your signature on them. They show, they're called plea bargain rejections, and it shows that the district attorney's office has made offer if you wanted to enter pleas of guilty in your cases for 8-year terms in prison on each case, and that would be to run concurrently. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. I want to make sure you understand what the possible consequences are if you go to trial, what your options are if you wanted to enter pleas of guilty. And do you understand all of that?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you want to reject those offers and have your cases set for trial?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we'll get them set for trial. Is there any evidence or discovery that you guys don't have?
Judge, I'm looking at Mr. Coleman's notes. It looks like discovery's been provided. I believe.
Okay.
I think they're covered. It's not going to stop.
Okay. All right, then we will move it to the trial docket. Stay in touch with Mr. Burbank. He'll let you know when you need to be back and ready for trial.
Will you be excused to that?
Yes, sir. And then you've got Jaden Chandler.
The file's not in there anyway.
Jaden Chandler.
All right. I've been talking to Tom about it.
Good morning, sir. Are you Jaden Chandler?
Yes, ma'am.
And this is 25 DCCR 1481. Mr. Chandler is charged with engaging in organized criminal activity. Mr. Burbank?
Your Honor, we have a plea agreement, which we were going to accept. But when my client showed up today, I would like it reset a week, please, so that he may come up back in front of this court. Maybe a little more appropriately dressed.
Why would you show up like that?
Well, he is working 7 days a week, 14 hours a day, trying to get his life back together again.
I mean, he's here now in front of me. Y'all don't want to just do the paperwork?
Do you want to do that? I mean, I don't want to. I can. And then set it for PSI maybe?
Where are you working?
XL Pro Construction, or it's Panther Construction, but it's a staffing company called XL Pro. It's out there by the landfill.
He's had a operation on his hand. He almost lost his hand. It's up to you, Judge, what you want.
No, I mean, if y'all have an agreement, I mean, he's already in front of me, so you might as well
Okay.
get it taken care of today. We can get
Reset
this started. I'll hold it.
Take care of it. Right.
Okay.
Cool. We'll back to
All right, let's pick up where we left off, Ms. Provost. In cause number 25 DCCR 0972, you already entered that plea of guilty to evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle. I have in front of me on the tablet some documents, again, that have your signature on them that the state's marked as exhibit number 1. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Mr. Adams?
Yes.
Do you fully understand them?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand if I follow the agreement that you made with the district attorney, you'll be waiving or giving up any right to appeal?
Yes, sir.
And again, that agreement is for a 4-year deferred probation, a $500 fine, and you would be required to follow all of the rules and conditions of probation. Is that your understanding?
Yes, sir.
Do you also understand, if you're not a U.S. citizen, that a plea of guilty or no contest may result in your deportation, exclusion from admission to the country, or denial of naturalization under federal law?
Yes, sir.
State tenders number 1.
No objections.
It's admitted. Is there any evidence that Ms. Provost is not competent?
None.
Right, ma'am, I'm going to find that you entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily, find that you're mentally competent and understand the nature and the consequences of that plea, find sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, I'm going to reset your case for sentencing so that the probation department can do a pre-sentence report. That'll give me more information about you and your case, and then we'll come back later for sentencing. You need to stop and talk to probation on your way out of the courtroom today to start that process, and she's sitting at that desk right over there. All right, we'll see you back at sentencing.
Here you go.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. We good.
Good morning, good. You're Catherine Batista. And this is cause number 25 DCCR 1608. Ms. Batista is charged with publishing or threatening to publish intimate visual material. And what is the announcement?
Your Honor, if we could have 30 days to plead this case. I've received an offer from Luke this morning. I also have received all the discovery, and I'm quite certain, I'm convinced the case is going to work out, and I've relayed the offer to my client already.
This
All right,
courtroom
so
session showed how quickly legal outcomes can move in different directions depending on the facts sitting in front of the court. Some defendants were given more time to prepare. Others received warnings tied to bond conditions. And in one major moment, the court reconsidered a possible sentencing path before ultimately returning to the original agreement. The hearing highlighted something that appears repeatedly inside courtrooms. Opportunities often come with responsibilities, and judges are constantly balancing rehabilitation, accountability, and public.
All right, so I'll just do a normal reset, Ms. Batista. Make sure you visit with Mr. Paget before that next court date so you know what you want to do, and we'll take care of it on that court date, okay? You're free to go.
Thanks, Luke.
Yes, sir.
And then you've got a sentence